Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to unboxing a pair of Gucci shoes I recently bought. So let's see it together. It's quite heavy. The box is really big. Oh. Lots of stuff inside. Cards. More cards. What's this? Envelope. Cards. And dust bag. Ooh. Dust bag. Yes, Gucci like give 2 dust bags for each pair of shoes. Papers. Oops. Shoes. My size is Euro 40. Like this is the one I got. It's a new style from Gucci. It's men's style, and I'm not sure if they have women's, but you can check their website. I'm not sure. Maybe they have your size. But personally, I like this print. It's new. Not many people are wearing it because I saw a lot of people are wearing like classic patterns. So I want to avoid that. I want to get something unique. That's why I chose this print. You can see the detail. What? Le Plus Loin, Le Plus Serré. I actually don't understand what it means. It's not English. It's definitely not English. You see the stitchings are quite nice, and bottom. Gucci, made in Italy. And here's the size. Gucci. It's quite high. The bottom is quite high, so it can make me look taller, definitely. Let's take out the. Ooh, that's a lot of paper. You can see the inside. It has Gucci logo. And here it has the serial code. Here it's really difficult to show you guys here. I don't know if you can see it. Let me show you the other one. The print on this one is different. You see? That's why I love this pair, because it has different prints on each shoe. You can see the print here. It's quite unique, it's quite cool. Especially when you wear them together, it looks so cool. And the details are the same. Details are the same, also the logo on the back. And the logo here. And inside, it also has the serial code and the logo on the bottom. See? So, please comment below if you like this pair or not, and you can check more details on Gucci website. And please follow my Instagram and subscribe my channel. See you guys next time. Bye bye.